Hello, and welcome back to Diecast Graveyard. My name is Paul. We've got a special build here today. I had a friend of mine contact me and said that years ago his dad had a 1949 Ford truck. And you'll see a picture of it there in the bottom right-hand corner. Well, he had it for some time and he absolutely loved the truck. Well, as you folks well know, things happen, things come up. And he had to sell the truck. Well, it got to him and he wishes he had the truck back. So he said to me, he says, Paul, can you make me a truck that looks like my dad's truck? I said, buddy, I sure will give it a try. So we're going to take this 1949 Ford Hot Wheel Ford F1 pickup and we're going to do the best we can with it. I've got the truck here. I've already drilled out the post. Now this truck was brand new. We pulled it off of a card, so everything is in good shape. Here we've got the body. Like I said, we've already pre-drilled out the post and the holes. We're going to file off the little vents on the sides and on the front of the hood because the blue truck didn't have any. And we're going to put it in the paint stripper and get that taken care of. We're also going to do a wheel swap. This truck had baby moon hubcap type wheels, so we're going to try and find some and we'll put those in. Here's the interior, just a standard stock interior, no big deal there. And we've also got a windshield here, and that's in good shape. So we got our work cut out for us. So let's go ahead and continue. When I go to do my customs, I always try and put the parts for the vehicle inside a little container. Now you can get these 4 for $1 at the Dollar General or at Family Dollar store or something like that. And then I label it just like you see here. Now, like I said, when I go to do my customs and things I'm working on, just to keep the parts for the most part in one area so I don't lose them, I try and do that. And it really helps out a lot when you're going to hunt down that windshield or that base or whatever and you go, darn, where did I put it? But it really helps out. And that's your tip today for from your Uncle Paulie. Let's go ahead and get the truck inside the embalming fluid, aka paint stripper. Make sure we're going to coat this inside and out because we're going to paint it up really nice. Going to change the colors. Here we're going to do our wheel swap. Now, using this sprue cutter, we're going to cut off the little tabs holding the wheels in. We're going to try and get away with just cutting out one. Do the front, do the back, and your wheel should practically lift right out like you see there. Now we're going to take a screwdriver and we're going to peel back. Make sure you use the right screwdriver. We're going to peel back the little tabs just to give it more room for the axles to fit in place. We shouldn't have to do any filing or anything. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and click on that little bell to be alerted to any future videos that come out. There, we're all set there. I found this Jada car and I really like the wheels and I like the baby moons. So we're going to use these wheels, but we're going to color up the inside of the rims a little bit later on. But they fit perfect and they look absolutely perfect for what I'm looking for. So that's going to be a seamless transition when it comes to replacing the wheels on this truck. Now we don't have to worry about gluing these down because the Jada wheels are, the axle is stuck inside the rim, so you want them to roll. And the inside interior has little tabs in it that hold the wheels in place. Here we're going to paint the truck a rude blue. Now this is a experimental paint that I got from the Red Line shop. They tend to send me a few things here and there. And it's a metallic base paint. And I was going to see if it was going to be dark enough for what I needed to do, and obviously it wasn't dark enough. But the paint is absolutely beautiful. Now, we didn't have to worry about going in and polishing up the body or anything like that. We just had to file down the vents in the hood of the truck. But this is a blue metallic paint. It's a very light blue metallic. And then later on, we're going to spray it down with a Spectre Flame blue paint, and that's going to give us the finish and the color that we desire. Just keep moving, getting in the fender wells and all those hard to reach places. That's looking really nice. Just light coats. That's looking sweet. All right. Let's go ahead and move on.
Waiting for the paint to dry.
We waited for the paint to tack up a bit, and we came back over it with a Spectre Flame blue. Now this looks fantastic, and this is the exact color I was going for. That looks really, really nice. I'm very happy with that. Let's let that dry overnight, and we'll do what we got to do. I went in and detailed the back lights and the front lights. They look really nice. Here we've got the base with the new wheels on there. They still got a little bit of glimmer of purple, but we went in with a blue Sharpie marker, a permanent marker, and we colored the rings around the wheels, and then they look good now. Interior is what it is, and the windshield is what it is. So we're going to put all these things together, and let's do our reveal. And this is what we started with. This really nice looking Hot Wheels Ford F1 pickup truck. We drilled it out, we took it apart, we did up the post, and we did a really good job on it. We went ahead and filed down the vents on the sides of the hood and the front of the hood, and just gave it a complete overhaul, trying to represent the pictures that I got from my friend so we can do up this truck for his dad. Now, once you see the final product and what we put together, I think you'll agree that we definitely hit all the marks on the truck that we needed to. Had a lot of fun with this, and I love doing special requests. So if you folks have anything like that, for something to remind you of Dad's car or something that you had when you were younger like that, go ahead and contact me. I'd love to give it a try. And this is what we got to. What a beautiful truck. This thing is fantastic. I absolutely love what we did with it. We got the blue nailed down. And again, the rims look a little bit purple. I could go back over that with some paint, but they look good overall. The wheels look good. The blue paint job looks good. And I think we definitely knocked it out of the ballpark when it came to doing this representation of my friend's dad's pickup truck. This was definitely a lot of fun. Now, again, I picked up a mainline off the shelf there at Walmart, and look at this. I mean, this is amazing what you folks can do too, because I know you can do this. You get all the parts that are necessary that you need, do a little bit of research, and you can do this. Now, if you folks have any questions or any comments or anything like that, just put them down. If you like the paint job in the truck, give it a thumbs up. If you give it a thumbs down, please do me the courtesy letting me know what you don't like. I want to thank my Patreon members, William Robinson, Dale Johnson, Ed Ostrander, and Richard Reese in the Grim Reaper level. Jake Rademacher, Sam Pascal, Air Warrior Coffee, and Adam Bowen. Gentlemen, thank you. And I can't thank you enough for your help. Gravedigger level, Aaron Murphy out there in California with his new daughter. God bless, brother. Ralph O'Neill Jr. Hearst Driver, Diecast Pirate, Pete Langford, and Tony Hughes over there in the UK. Thank you, gentlemen, so much for everything you do. My name is Paul with Diecast Graveyard. Please leave a comment in the comment section. I'd love to hear from you. Thanks again, and let's do some cool customs together. Have a great day, and cheers.